everybody. Today we are going to make OmeRice. It's basically an omelet with ketchup rice inside, and we're going to be using chicken. Yay! Okay, so first we're going to cut the onion. We want it to be small pieces. So I'm going to be dicing the onion. Okay, and then be extra careful. And you cut this way. We put this in a bowl. And you want about 1 tablespoon of butter. And then we need to put some saran wrap on. Put it in the microwave at 500 watts for 2.5 minutes. So while the onion is cooking, we're going to put rice in here. Yeah, it's hot. Be careful. Then we need 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Thank you. A little bit of sea salt. And a little bit of garlic powder. And today we're going to be using corn because that's what we have. You could use peas, that might look better color-wise. So about 1/4 cup of corn. Okay, the onion is ready. And then put the whole thing in. Okay, yeah, you can eat corn. I'm going to add some already cooked chicken that I made yesterday. Put up with you, you can eat more. You could use ham, or bacon, or anything that doesn't have to be cooked because we're not going to cook the rice. We're just going to mix it in and it's going to be done. I made chicken long onion sauce. It was really good, but I didn't take a video. I should have. Okay. It tastes good. That's the chicken rice. Now we're going to make the omelet part. This is the difficult part. So today I'm going to be, well, I don't have a smaller pan, so I'm going to be using this big pan. It's 28 centimeters. If you can find one that's about 20 centimeters, which I don't know how many inches that is. I guess like 8 inches. It's better. The smaller, the easier. Okay, so 2 eggs. And this is the trick in making a good omelet. You could also put yogurt in instead of mayonnaise. But anyway, if you put mayonnaise or yogurt in, the egg doesn't cook as fast. So your omelet will become very fluffy and soft and it won't burn. So I have oil in the pan. Turn the fire on high. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna put the egg in. And then we stir right away. You can use a spatula too. Scrape the sides down. Okay. Right before it becomes like a scrambled egg, you stop. And you turn the fire off. And then we're gonna put this rice in the middle. Okay. Okay. And then we turn the fire back on. And this way you won't overcook your egg. And now that we're turning the heat on again, the egg is gonna come off the fry pan easier. Okay, so now it's not moving yet, so we have to wait a little longer. Make sure you have your plate ready. Okay, so we're gonna wait a little longer. Okay, so it's starting to move, so we have to wait a little longer. Okay, now that it's moving, we're going to scoot it down a little bit. I'm going to flip this side over. Okay, and then we're going to turn it off. And then, I hope you can see, so I have my plate and I'm just going to flip it over on the plate. There you go. Sorry that cracked. It's better if it doesn't crack.